How to access e-statement in Vancity Online Banking. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you access your e-statements in Vancity Online Banking. So let's get started. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the source field, search for Vancity Online Banking. After that, you will be able to find Vancity official site. Simply tap on vancity.com. After that, from the login section of Vancity, you'll have to just provide the member card number. After you enter that, tap on next and confirm with your password. After you logged in with your account, you'll get this kind of interface from your at the left hand side panel. Simply from the account section, click on the option view statement. After that, you'll be able to view all of your e-statements, and from there you'll be able to download that e-statement as your PDF file. For that, you must have a Adobe account. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.